Hi, this is Pragdish. In this video, I am going to show how to make an LED glow using an Arduino. So the things you need are an Arduino Uno R3 board and an LED. Now connect the positive leg of LED to pin number 13 in Arduino board and the negative leg to the ground. I chose pin number 13 only for my convenience because pin number 13 and the ground lies very close to each other. That helps me in avoiding some external wires. But you can use any pin, it's a matter of your choice. Now plug your Arduino to your computer through an USB port. After connecting, open Arduino IDE in your computer. Then let's start with defining the pin 13 as LED. So now we have named the pin 13 as LED. You can use any names to call that pin. That's also a matter of choice. Inside the void setup, we are going to tell the mode of the pin. That is, we are going to tell whether it is going to be used as an output or input. Input is used in the case of getting data from sensors, and output is used to give the data from Arduino to the external circuit. As the LED belongs to output category, we use the keyword pin mode to define that is gonna be output. Void loop is the area where the given command is repeated again and again, as the name suggests. The keyword digital write is used to give data from Arduino to the external circuit. Here I am using digital write to make the LED to go to on state. Now that's it, the programming part is over, and verify the program and upload to your Arduino board.